What does it mean to truly love Allah? Not just with words, not just by saying I love Allah, but loving Him with every beat of your heart. Because real love is not spoken, it is shown. We say we love Allah, but do we remember Allah when life feels good? Do we run to Him before the pain comes? Do we obey Him even no one is watching? Because sincere love is not loving Allah only when you are broken, it's loving Him when you are healed too. Think about this. Allah gave you everything before you ever asked. The heart beating in your chest was from Him. The air in your lungs was from Him. Every smile, every blessing, every time danger missed you, every sin He covered, every dua He answered, even the ones He delayed, it was all from Allah. And yet, how often do we forget the ones who never forgot us? We chase people who live. We love this world that fades. We become attached to things that can break. But Allah remains forever. When everyone else gets tired of you, Allah listens. When everyone judges your past, Allah offers forgiveness. When your heart is shattered, Allah heals. When you whisper, Ya Allah, Allah hears it every single time. So ask yourself, who deserves your heart more than the one who created it? To love Allah sincerely is to choose Him again and again. Over your desire, over your sin, over what people think. It's waking up for Fajr because you love to meeting Him. It's leaving haram because pleasing Him matters more. You making dua not because you need something, but because you miss Him. And the beautiful thing is that the more you love Allah, the more peace you find. Because this dunya will never fully satisfy your heart. Why? Because your heart was created to belong to Allah, not this world. So if your heart feel empty, it's maybe not because you need more dunya, but it's maybe you need more Allah. Love Allah not only for Jannah, but because even if there was none a Jannah, Allah is still worthy of every ounce of your love. Because He stayed when others left, He forgave when others judged, He loved even when you forget Him. So speak to Him, cry to Him, return to Him, and give your heart to the one who will never break it. Because when you sincerely love Allah, you don't just change your life, you change your soul forever.